Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're dealing with crypto, you already know that secure and smooth transfers are a must. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to transfer US dollar from SafePal to Binance, safely, quickly, and without errors. Now, I know that for beginners, moving crypto between wallets can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to confidently transfer US dollar from your SafePal wallet to Binance. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you love crypto tutorials like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Before we start transferring, let's quickly understand what SafePal and Binance are for those who might be new to crypto. 1. SafePal, a decentralized crypto wallet that allows you to store and manage your assets securely. It supports multiple networks and lets you interact with DeFi apps and exchanges too. Binance, one of the largest centralized cryptocurrency exchanges where you can trade, stake, and manage your assets. Binance supports multiple blockchains, so selecting the correct network when transferring funds is crucial. So now that we're clear on that, let's jump right into the actual transfer process. First, open your SafePal wallet app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and set up your account. Make sure you back up your recovery phrase securely, never share it with anyone. Once inside, navigate to the Assets tab, where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, look for US dollar tether. It might be under different networks like BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20. We'll talk about why this matters in the next step. One of the most important things when transferring US dollar or any cryptocurrency is choosing the correct blockchain network. Ethereum network, higher fees, but widely supported. Binance Smart Chain, BSC, lower fees, faster transactions, recommended for Binance users. Tron network, lowest fees, but make sure Binance supports it for deposits. If you send US dollar using the wrong network, your funds could be lost forever, so always check and match the network between SafePal and Binance before sending. Now that you've chosen the correct network, it's time to get your Binance US dollar deposit address. 1. Open your Binance app and log in. 2. Tap on Wallets at the bottom of the screen. 3. Select Deposit. Then choose US dollar as the cryptocurrency. 4. You'll now see different network options. Select the same network you chose in SafePal. 5. Copy the US dollar deposit address shown on Binance. If you're using Binance on a computer, you can scan the QR code with SafePal to avoid typing errors.
Now, let's head back to SafePal and send the US dollar. 1. Open your SafePal wallet and tap on US dollar. 2. Tap the send button. 3. Paste the Binance deposit address that you copied earlier. 4. Enter the amount of US dollar you want to send. 5. Double-check the network, and address mistakes here can be costly. 6. Tap Next, review the transaction details, and confirm. Transaction times vary depending on the network. ERC20, 5 to 10 minutes, but can take longer. BB20 and TRC20, usually within a few minutes. Now, let's verify that the transaction was successful. 1. Open Binance and go to Wallets greater than. Spot Wallet. 2. Tap on Deposit History to check the status. 3. Once the transaction is confirmed, your US dollar balance will be updated. If your deposit is taking longer than expected, check the Blockchain Explorer for the network you used. Ethereum Etherscan.io, Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, BSCScan.com, Tron Network, Tronscan. Or simply paste your transaction ID TXID and check its status. Sometimes, you might face issues like wrong network selected. Unfortunately, transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Contact Binance support, but there's no guarantee of recovery. Deposit taking too long? Check the Blockchain Explorer for real-time updates. Transaction failed. Ensure you have enough gas fees in SafePal. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your US dollar T from SafePal to Binance without stress. It's all about choosing the right network, double-checking addresses, and staying patient during confirmations. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future crypto tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like a guide on anything else related to SafePal, Binance, or crypto transfers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.